Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that non-payable coin. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, non-payable coin NPC is an experimental cryptocurrency that blurs the line between a meme coin and a digital collectible by functioning as a hybrid token NFT. Hybrid assets. Each NPC token can be converted 1:1 into a customizable NFT, creating a unique meme fungible token MFT model. Cultural experiment. It is a community-driven project with no formal roadmap, built on the rival NPC. Internet meme explore digital identity and community. Multi-chain presence. The project operates across several blockchains, including Ethereum-based Solana and BNB chain to broaden accessibility. Non-payable coin project institution rating is 4. Non-payable coin total supply is 8.05 billion and circulating supply is around 7.62 billion NPC token. NPC token is listed on Bitget, KuCoin, Kraken and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project, up to 85% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.